So how can you flip an upside down recording on the iPhone? Let's get started and let's begin. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials which I believe are going to help you out. So go ahead and do this and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well. But in order to flip your video recordings, all you have to do is to locate them within the gallery application like that. Click on the edit button below. And then you can like adjust it, crop it or whatever, but just click on the crop tool right away. And in the top left corner, we have the rotation button. So you can rotate your video clip to the left, but the point is that you can do it as many times as you want. So you literally end up with a recording, which is, for example, you turn it from vertical to horizontal or even flip it 180 degrees. How exactly you want it, it's up to you, but you can perform these changes. Do not forget to hit the done button so all of those things get saved, and yeah, you are now flipped your recording. Keep in mind, however, that you can also revert back later or rotate it again, so you have plenty of different options and possibilities with this. But that's essentially it. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you found it useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.